Hi, I'm Jeremy, the author of Exploring Arduino. What you're about to watch is a brief video demonstration of one of the projects in the second edition of the book Exploring Arduino. If you don't already have the book, visit exploringarduino.com to learn more about it and where you can buy it. If you make a cool project from the book and want to share it, please use the hashtag #ExploringArduino on social media. Okay, good luck with the project. We have our setup ready to go here for controlling a lamp with BTLE proximity to our phone using our Adafruit Feather BTLE equipped Arduino board and our relay box here. The Arduino is connected to permanent power from here, and then it's controlling the relay for the lamp that's plugged in here, and this is the lamp that we're going to control. On your phone, and you can do this on iPhone or Android, you'll go to your Bluetooth settings and choose to pair with a new device. We should see the smart lamp device pop up, and sure enough, there it is. So we'll tap that. You can see that as soon as we connect, it has immediately detected it over here, and the lamp is on, and we heard the relay click on. You'll also see that in the settings now, it says that smart lamp is currently connected. So now let's see how the proximity functionality works. So we have our phone paired with our BTLE Arduino device now that's controlling the lamp. Once it's paired, you don't need to stay in the Bluetooth device or anything. You can let your phone lock, put it in your pocket. You'll set the transmit power up on your device, and that will effectively create a radius around it. And when you step within that radius, it should connect to your phone automatically and turn on the lamp. So I'm going to head into my apartment unit towards the lamp, and we'll see if it turns on. And so sure enough, we walk into the apartment, I get near the lamp turns on. And now, follow me back out of the apartment, and the lamp should turn off behind me.